Hello, now we know how to translate a subtitle, but this time, let's try to use the glossary feature before we create a new translate subtitle. Let me show you. You can see that there is an information that says source to target glossaries and a manage button from the detailed individual card when you are on the output section. In this example, you see English to German glossaries. So what are glossaries in this context? Glossary is, to put it simply, words or phrases that require special translation. For example, recurring slang terms, unique character names that have a required translation, special place names, or unique words that cause typical translation issues. Any word pairs in the glossary will be used each time the source word is detected. Let's create the glossary on a spreadsheet. You can create a spreadsheet on Google Spreadsheets or any Excel program. A glossary file is composed of 3 columns: source language, target language, and defining whether it is case sensitive or insensitive. Now let's define the glossary. Here is an example. Source will be difficult and target will be 需要, and lastly it will be case insensitive. Once you have created the glossary, you will need to convert it into a CSV file. Before converting, make sure to remove the source, target, case, sensitive, and insensitive titles. First, go to File on the spreadsheet. Second, go to and select Download. Third, go and click on Comma Separated Values. Now let's apply the glossary that we just made. Click the Manage button and click the Select File or drag/drop a file here and select the CSV file that you have just created. Now you can see that the glossary file that you have just created is applied for the specific translation. Before clicking the Add button, there is a glossary list at the bottom. This is where you will see all your glossary files that you have uploaded, and each list will have 3 icons. First is the eye icon when you click, and you'll see the preview what the glossaries are in that file. Second is a download button where you download this glossary file. And third is a trash can icon where you want to delete this glossary file. Now let's click the Add button. Now you can see that the glossary file that you have just created is applied for the specific translation. Now let's click Create and Run. Once the translation is complete, your glossary will be in effect. You will see the changes from the translation. The left side is the original, and the right side is with the glossary in effect. For example, difficult became 需要. This is how you use our glossary feature. Thank you.